Hello, this is for Harvard's CS50's Web Programming with Python and JavaScript course. So this is the book rating website. Firstly, we'll see that there are 5,000 books in the books table, and we can access those books by going onto this website here. So if I copy the link and keep it into this window, you'll notice that I'm instantly taken to the login page. I can't go to either the home page or the rate books page unless I log in or sign up. I can find out the total users by doing select star from users and get this table below. As you can see, there's quite a lot of users. Let us try and register using the details of J. Name of J, username of J, email at J, and password of J. If I submit this, I'm taken to an error page, which says that the login details already exist, and I'm told that to return back to login. Here we can see in the table, these are the login details of J. For example, though, I can log in using J's details. J, J at J, and J will allow me to access the home page. Now let me log out and let me try and sign in an actual user. So let us sign in Windows with username Windows, email Windows at w.com, and password of Windows. When I submit, I'm taken to a success page saying I'm now registered. I can now run the select star from users again, and in the table I am shown the details for the user Windows. So now I can sign in as Windows at w.com, and Windows. I'm taken back to the home page where there's this nice table with ISBN numbers. Now I can rate books. I could search for titles with, for example, the in them. When I search, I'm given all the books which have the in the name. If I search for there, there's only a few. If I search for example, something which doesn't exist, I'm given no results found. I can do the same thing in the authors and ISBN numbers. Oops. If I search for an ISBN number with A, obviously I'm going to get 0 results. So let me now search for a book, for example, The Railway Children. When I click the link, I'm taken to this reviews page. These these are details the AP from the API, and I'm given a choice of reviews. I can write a review or I can read the reviews below. Let's say I don't like it, and I'm gonna give it haha because I'm not very nice. I could submit. My rating appears below, when, and it says you've already written a review, so cannot write another one. Now, for example, we want to find the details of the Railway Children from the Goodreads API. I can do /API /ISBN number. It will give me the details for the book in a JSON object format. I'm given the opportunity to return back to login, or I could simply go back to rating books. If I search an ISBN that doesn't exist, however, it'll give me a 404 error saying the resource is not found, and I'm told to return to login. Here we can see the 404 error. So that was my website. Hope you liked it. Thanks for watching.